Spa Guy Dave here, back again with another beautiful pre-owned hot tub available and ready for delivery into your backyard now. So let's take a walk up on it and see what we got under the hood here. We're gonna lift this beautiful new fabric black spa cover. Check out the cabin, it looks really great. Big spa, look how easy. I just gave one little fold over on the cover lifter and just one little quick with my hand lift back, and that's it. The cover is standing vertical. Beautiful black spa cover. Big, beautiful hot tub. Yes, it's another Artesian South Seas hot tub. Big and beautiful. This is the tub everybody waits for because it's big, 90 by 90, 7-seater hot tub, all open seating, and yes, made in America, right? USA, made in Las Vegas, Nevada. Gorgeous 2017 Artesian, delivered in 2018, South Seas 851B. The B stands for bench, no lounger, all open seating. Big, huge seats throughout, right? We've got captain's chair, bucket seat with armrest loaded. Another captain's chair. Another one here with a 6-pack with those big 5-inch double spinners and a medium size, smaller direct pressure jets. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 jets in that seat, right? Another seat, a killer captain's chair over here, bucket seat. Look at the size of this footwell. It is like 36 inches by about 42. A big, deep footwell will hold lots of legs. Plenty of leg room for everybody to stretch out. And yes, the famous dome jets, right? We've got 2, 4, 6 dome jets in there. Under the calf jets, under the calf, everywhere, right? Stainless steel, powerful jets. 50 jets in this 851B loaded hot tub. And the gorgeous Tuscan Sun Color. Some shells, just are not as dramatic or as beautiful. This one is just beautiful. Just look at the colors over there. The grays, the blacks mixed in, the tans, the browns, everything mixed in there, just giving you a great color mixture here. And that's not even with LED lights on. There's one LED light there. It has 7 different colors. So you've got purple and blue and red and green and orange. All different types of colored LED lights. 4 LED lights in this hot tub, and an additional LED lit waterfall. All brand new spa pillows, brand new overlay, brand new heater, brand new cover, brand new spa cover lifter, brand new black spa steps arriving tomorrow. This is a phenomenal package. It is just fantastic. We haven't even turned on the jets yet. This is what it sounds like when it's just heating and filtering. Let's turn on jets 1. There's high speed now for jets 1. Jets 2. Here's the other pump. 50 jet pumping away right now. Waterfall, I have it turned down a little bit. You can turn it up more and really let it shoot out, or you could also turn it off all the way. Great spa. A lot of people have been calling, asking for a 90-plus incher open seating, 6 to 8-seater. This is it from the top quality brand, Artesian. New cartridge filter, of course. The frog auto chlorination and mineralization system installed along with the Artesian ozone purification system. So you've got lots of ways to keep the water clean in this beautiful Artesian hot tub. Tuscan Sun, gray, maintenance-free cabinet. Their cabinets are always durable. They're thick. They're rich. A great, well-made cabinet here in America. So I hope you like the tub. If you do, this entire package, everything that's with all the new nice things added, the cover, the chemicals, the steps, the lifter, all the new things we've added to the spa, free delivery, Indoctrination at your house, teaching you how to operate the hot tub, a great warranty from me. On top of all that, this entire package for this Artesian South Seas 851 is just $5,100. That's it, folks. $5,100 lands this killer package Why spend 15 grand when you can have this incredible package in your backyard for just $5,100 this week? Take that money and go buy the money you save and go buy a vacation or do something else for the house or for the family. Just $5,100. Hope you liked the video. If you do, please click like and please subscribe to my Spa Guy Dave YouTube channel to be ready and alert for more hot tubs coming and lots of how-to videos that we'll be posting shortly. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this will be in your backyard. You and your family will be in hot water. This is Spa Guy Dave.